new SM North EDSA Carousel Busway. Alright, Mallrats, we're now going to check out the SM North EDSA Busway, which is the bus station in front of SM City North EDSA, connected to the Carousel bus station. It seems like a very, very well-made carousel station. If only all the other stations look like this, instead of, you know, latching onto the MRT stations or just having a shitty stairway to the middle of EDSA. So here's the busway. So this thing is well lit. I hope it's well lit all the way until 12 a.m. because the buses on EDSA never really stop anyway. So there's a map here, because across the street is also an SM property. There you go. So here's a map of SM City, and we are here. That's also on SM on the other side, Cyber West. The one with a sparrow. It used to be with a sparrow. Now it's just as a Save More. Dunkin' Donuts maybe still there. Okay. So to the left is SM North EDSA. Restrooms over there. That's SM North EDSA. To the right is SM Cyber West and Save More. It's over here. That's the building across the street. Before we go down to the busway so that we can head back south, let me tour you guys at least to the SM Cyber West area. Nice. Look. Very nice. Okay, so southbound SM Cyber West. Okay. So this is the SM Cyber West area. It's a building. It has a lot of offices here. There's a Save More on the other side. There used to be a Sparrow here, Dunkin' Donuts, a bunch of other shops, but I haven't been here for a long, long time. So here we are. Oh, look at that. There's a Route 1 EDSA Busway. Oh, it's a price matrix. That's cool. From origin, so our origin is well, we're probably using the southbound. Okay, so our origin is here. Okay. And if you're going all the way to Ayala, it's gonna be 38 bucks. That's hilarious. 30 bucks. Or going to Ortiga Center Megamall, it's $22.50. 60 bucks all the way to Pit X. 60 bucks all the way to Mall of Asia. Anyway, let's go down to the bus. Okay, now I have the urge to just go over to the train over there, but it's a bit far. Okay, because train's gonna be way cheaper. This is gonna cost a pretty penny. We'll try it. We'll try it. We do have money for this, right? I don't know. So, SM North EDSA Busway Station. It's an elevator going down to the main concourse. And then, bus stop. Keep right. Sure. Okay. Keep right down. Of course, what used to be the SM North EDSA bus stop or the bus bay before the government totally fucked over Metro Manila commuters and decided to put carousel in the middle of EDSA instead of on the sides where it used to be. This used to be one of the biggest bus areas ever. Now it's a bunch of provincial buses and P2P, point-to-point buses, I think. Alright, so there's escalator going up from the concourse. Yep. And our southbound is over here. can see the SM City Sky Garden. That's Paddy's Point over there. It's Saturday night, of course. That is the new railway for, I think, the MRT 7. I'm not entirely sure. This has been delayed for over a year because of government shenanigans. Well, not really, contractor shenanigans. But the government kicked out the contractors, and as of 2025, I think they're looking for a new one to fix the station back there. Okay, so we don't have an escalator going down. Instead, there are stairs going down. There's a line going to Monumento, but I'm not sure about the southbound. Unless that is the southbound line. Is that southbound or northbound? So that is the northbound lane. Southbound is here, so we're fine. Alright. There you go, guys. There you go. And there you go, Mallrats. That was the SM City North EDSA Busway Station. We are now back here at, where is this? Yeah, Ortiga Station. There you go, guys. If you guys like what you saw, you know what to do. I'll see you guys in the next video. Mallrat out.
Hey, you made it to the end of the video. If you liked the video, hit that like button. If you enjoy similar content, consider subscribing to the channel. If you want to help us make more stuff, share the video with your friends and circles. Consider checking out our other channels. We have dedicated channels for hobbies, games, and other stuff. And I'll see you in the next video. OC Mallrat